We've got iPhone 11 Pro Max, and let me show you secret codes for the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the phone dialer, and now we will enter the first code, which will activate filed mode in this device. And the code is asterisk 30001 pound 12345 pound asterisk. And now, as you can see, we are in filed mode in main menu, and here you can check device info. Then you can come along with LTE details, so you can check RC state, servicing cell info, servicing cell mess, TX power, the parameter, neighbor info, cell miss, neighbor cell miss, and all the others. Let's go back. Then you can also come along with UMTS, and here you've got all the details, and also GSM, and as previously you've got servicing cell info here, connected services cell miss, LTE neighbor, and all the others. So let's go back, and that will be all. This is all details you can gain by using this very useful code. And then let's go to another code, very short one, and it's asterisk pound 06 pound. And this one will provide you with the whole device info, so you will find here both email numbers dedicated to both SIM cards that you can include in your iPhone 11 Pro Max, and also MEAD number. So once you need to come along with those numbers, once you need to use them, simply enter this short code and be provided with them immediately after that. And that's basically all. These are all codes you can use in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.